two fish, butterfish, steamed butterfish for just my husband and I. And look, there's a few other seasoning and it's easy. Seafood seasoning, black pepper, and just what we got in the cupboard. Look, and I'm gonna make bammy, put bammy, and I'm gonna use some olive oil. So let's cook. So pat the bubble and see the bammy there, and it's bubbling. Bubbling, it's gonna get there. The steamed fish with bammy is going on and on and see there, it's simmered down now, and I really don't like my fish overcooked. So I'm gonna turn my stove off. This is how you give a good service to your husband and you start